Well, look, the American people have already made it clear, the military's made it clear, there's no real opposition in the places that it counts, so there's no reason for our leaders to not vote in favor of war.
I think it's the next civil rights issue of the 21st century, and I think that anybody who's willing to put their life on the line to defend this country is worthy of being able to serve.
We're here because all service members who want to stand up and defend our country should be honored by the President and the United States Congress. They should be given equal rights of all citizens. 10 years ago was the right time. I think it's well overdue, and I think public opinion is behind it well over the majority. It's just a few Congress members holding it up. It's time for them to let it go.
Gay and lesbian service members are already serving. They're going to continue to serve. We might as well give them the full support that they need, that they deserve.
The message here is to the Senate is that you still have important business to do. You should not leave for the holidays until you get it done. Senator Lieberman with Senator Collins and Senator Mark Udall and Senator Gillibrand have introduced a new standalone bill to repeal Don't Ask, Don't Tell, S-4023, and this is a bill that should move through the Senate in the next couple of weeks, and it can also go back to the House, and it can be signed into law by the President this year.